Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to create eye-catching posters that get noticed on any social media platform? Click the Create button. From the options, select Instagram Post as your template. Next, go to the Elements section. In the search bar, type Exercise to find related graphics or images. Choose the element you want to add. Select the image you want to use. Next, choose the background option to set your preferred background. After that, click the Add Text button and type your desired text. Adjust placement and size as needed for best results. Click the Effects button to open the Effects panel. Next, select Add Background to choose and apply a background to your project. Once your background is set, navigate to the Elements section to add various elements, such as shapes, icons, or images. Customize the appearance and position of each element as needed to enhance your design. Continue adding elements until your project matches your creative vision. To add light effects, go to the Effects panel, search for light, then drag your desired effect onto your clip. To save the graphics, go to the File menu and select Export. Choose your preferred format, set the destination folder, name your file, then click Save to complete the process. To change this item, select it by clicking directly on it. Once it's highlighted, look for the editing options in the menu that appears. Click the Edit button to open the Settings panel. Here, you can adjust the item's properties, such as text, color, or size, depending on your needs. After making your changes, click the Save or Apply button to update the item. Review your changes to make sure everything looks correct before moving on to the next step. The changes are saved. Now, let's verify everything by checking the result once more to ensure the update applied correctly. Review the screen to confirm the changes took effect. Select the layer you want to move, then click the Layer menu and choose Bring to Front to move it above others. After completing the previous steps, you can now use these transparent elements in your project. Simply select the transparent asset from your library, then drag and drop it onto your workspace as needed. Adjust the position and size to fit your design requirements, and continue editing as desired. Click the Share button, select Download, and choose PNG format to save your work as an image. Select Print to PDF as your printer to save files. You just learned how to design eye-catching social media posters in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.